Welcome to Jemma's channel. Did everyone try the lemon hot and sour chicken feet in the last video? Today, let's make lemon and sour spiced jam together. Ingredients and recipe at the end. Pick the shrimp line from the third joint. Deal with all shrimp in the same way. Cook for 10 minutes. Skim away the foam. Take it out. Soak for 30 minutes. Cool down quickly with ice cube to make the tasty firm and elastic. Peel off shrimp shells after cooling for later use. Cut the lemon into slices. Cut the green onion into sections. Slice the ginger. Chop the cilantro. Remove the seeds. Break it with blender. Break garlic with blender. Pour minced garlic, chili slice, chili powder, and minced chili pepper into a bowl. Pour hot oil. And 200 milliliters water. Mix evenly. Put all the prepared materials in. Mix evenly. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Please give it a try. Share it and tag me. If you have any questions, leave a message in the comment. Follow my channel to watch a video at the first time. Thanks for subscribing and watching. See you soon.